Hey guys, and welcome to chapter 21, which is basically about microbial, cardiovascular and systemic diseases, right? So let's start with the first part, which is going to go over the structures of the cardiovascular system. So here, the cardiovascular system is composed of your heart, your blood vessels. Blood vessels include things like arteries, which take blood away from the heart. Artery starts with A, they take blood away from the heart. Veins, which bring blood back into the heart. Vein goes into the heart. And we also have capillaries and everything. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure why this is not highlighted. Okay, so it's really important that basically in this way your blood circulates the entire your entire body, right? So we start with no, I'm going to tell you guys. It's a pump, right? So we have a pump. It's basically this. We have these two chambers. We have the upper atria and then the lower ventricles, right? And then the heart pumps blood throughout the rest of your body. So let's talk. So when you have blood coming in from the body back into the heart, it's going to enter first the right atrium, then go past the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle, and then from there it's going to go towards your lungs. And then when it's on your lungs, it's going to reoxygenate itself, and then it's going to go into the left atrium, then go through the mitral valve, go into the left ventricle, and then out through the aorta, which is your main artery that brings blood basically through the rest of your body. Okay, and so blood composition is basically the serum, which is a liquid part of the blood, right? So we have this plasma, and inside this plasma we have these formed elements like erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Erythrocytes are going to be your red blood cells, leukocytes are your white blood cells, and then platelets are your coagulating factors. So I'm looking down here to see what it is. I'll have to tell you guys, and I just don't know really. I mean, I feel like you basically have a really good sound understanding of this movement of blood and lymph. Oh, lymph, yeah. So you also have, like, from these capillaries and everything, sometimes like nutrients and stuff and liquids kind of flow into basically the interstitial space. I don't know if I should tell you guys this. I'm sorry, I should read this and tell you them before, but it's okay. And then this gets picked up by your lymphatic vessels. So any kind of leaked fluid is picked up by your lymphatic vessels. And so you also have your lymph system, right? Your blood is normally exenic. This is a really important thing to remember. So it basically is usually your whole cardiovascular system devoid of any microbes, and then any entrance of these microbes via wounds or something like that could be potentially bad for you, definitely bad for you, probably even fatal in some cases. So usually it doesn't contain any microbe, but breaks in skin or the mucous membranes provides a route for the microbes to enter the blood. Many of the invaders are benign, but others can cause diseases of the cardiovascular and lymphatic systems. So I think that's all I really have to say here. Yeah, let's get on to the bacteria. So I'll do that in the next video because that's how we're doing these videos now. All right, bye guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.